Hi, I'm Rhonda and welcome back to my studio and my Potter's Journal for another small kiln unload. This is really quite cool because Elliot has like 30 something little ghosts in here because a couple weeks ago while I was on the school call I was sculpting them, and then on the school call this past weekend I was glazing them, and now they're all in here. So let's take a look. The kiln's at about 140 degrees. Oh my gosh. There are some small mushrooms in here also because my goal is to use up some of the glazes that I haven't been using, and these are Cosmos glazes. I don't know if you can see this. They frothed up over here. That's kind of cool and kind of weird. But they're just little tiles, it doesn't matter. So let's look at he's fun. All of these have Amico white underglaze on the body of the ghost, and then all of the other glazes or underglazes are all the kiwis. So when you see the pinks and things, they stay true. Oh my gosh, they're so adorable. I have so much fun sculpting these. And I do have a couple duplicates this time because, 30 is quite a few ghosts. I like this ice cream cone guy. This is the Baby Blue Speck by Mako. Cosmos glazes, solar flare, geez, can't remember that one. Actually, I can't remember all of them, any of them right now. I'll have to add them to the description. They really were something to help fill up the kiln. Look at all of the ghosts. Oh my gosh, they're adorable. So this past weekend, I also took about 20 ghosts over to the Frenchman Gallery in Mobile, Alabama. And I've learned that they are a thing because I take them every month, and then when I come back, they're all gone. And while I was there, look at him. He's got a raven. Sorry. He's fabulous. While I was there, a lady actually picked one up and took it and bought it. It was the coolest thing. I like his little mallard. That's a better color than the last mallard that I did. Here's a little guy with an umbrella, because I like umbrellas. Toadstool hat. Someone told me he looked like Toad from Mario, and you know what? They're not wrong. Blue pigeon. I like this guy. He's my clown. And I don't really like clowns, but I like him. This one is a little politically incorrect, so please avert your eyes if you're going to become offended. But this was a joke between Angela and I, because all of her ghosts have brown shoes. And then she made a comment to me, and yeah, that's how I felt in that particular moment. This little guy has his solo cup and ping pong ball. This little guy has a hoot owl, flower in a vase, and this guy is being all special and giving a bouquet of roses. All right, last shelf. Oh, I lied. There's more mushrooms, and they froth. It's just the white one, and I can't remember which one it is. This one here, I do know. This is Dark Star. It's really pretty. I'll clean them up and I'll put magnets on them, and they'll be fabulous as they always are. And again, these are the original Cosmos glazes, so they're not food safe. They're kind of temperamental. I know that. And it's okay. And the last shelf. Oh. Look at this guy. He actually has a cup of coffee. He's fabulous. This one's just giving a thumbs up. He's having a good day. A cardinal. Second little watermelon guy. Because he was just, the first one was cute, and it's like, I need another one of those. Conversation hearts. Anti-conversation heart. Chocolate chip cookie. I'm running out of space. I'm so sorry. A lily. Another anti-conversation heart. Avid reader. And then I have two very special ones that, you know, because sometimes you just do a little bit extra. So we have our pirate. And his skull and crossbone did turn out on his eye patch. That's so cool. And this guy has a lantern. These, they do bring me so much joy, and there are so many of them. And yeah, I'm sure there's going to be more. There's always going to be more. But I am going to start working on some other miniatures to fill in with all the other things that I'm doing, because it's just fun, and that's what creativity is all about, is bringing joy to yourself and sharing that joy with others and bringing joy to other people. Thank you for being here, and thank you for enjoying my little bit of whimsy. I do post these guys on Facebook on my business page on Facebook before they go to the gallery. So if you are interested in adopting one of these little haunts, when the pictures of them go up, just let me know and I'll set it aside for you. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope that you find something today that brings you joy, and I'll see you next time.